Welcome to this Crypto.com tutorial for beginners. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you have to do is to download the Crypto.com app. You can do this on the Apple Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Once you have downloaded the Crypto.com app, it's time to make an account. And if you want, you can use my referral link and you will get a sign-up bonus of $25. And I will get a bonus as well. The link is down in the description. Now, once you have created an account, I do recommend you go to settings and set up two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of protection to your account in case you get hacked or someone get access to your account. The next step is to deposit funds into your Crypto.com account. To do this, you go to your homepage, then you go to deposit and choose fiat. Then you choose the currency you want to deposit into your account. For me, it's euro. If you have to set up a new currency, you can do that here. Now, when you choose your currency, you will then be given the bank details that you have to put in your banking app or online bank to transfer your funds to your Crypto.com fiat wallet. It might take a couple of days for your funds to appear in your Crypto.com fiat wallet. But once you have it, you're ready to buy some crypto. Now that you have fiat currency in your Crypto.com account, you're ready to buy some crypto. On the home page, click on buy and let's choose Bitcoin. Now we're on the buy page. Here we have different payment methods. You can choose between your fiat wallet, Google Pay or Apple Pay if you have an iPhone. And you can also add other payment methods like credit or debit card. One thing to keep in mind is that when you buy crypto with credit or debit card on Crypto.com, they will charge you a little fee for the transaction. So click on your fiat wallet, choose the amount you want to buy, click on buy and then confirm your information and click confirm. There you go, you just bought crypto on Crypto.com. It's that easy. Now, when you want to sell your crypto on Crypto.com, you go to your homepage, click sell, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. I'm gonna choose Bitcoin, and you can either sell it into another crypto or you can click on cash and sell it into your fiat wallet. Now, if you want to take your fiat currency out into your bank account, you can do this by choosing accounts on the bottom of your homepage, then choose fiat wallet, go to transfer, choose withdraw. Choose the fiat currency you want to withdraw and follow the instructions you are given. Now you know the basics of buying and selling crypto on the Crypto.com app. There is a lot more you can do on this app, but since this is a beginner's tutorial, I kept it simple. If you want to learn how to make passive income in the crypto market, then watch this video right here. If you're still watching the video at this point, please let me know by commenting crypto tutorial in the comments down below. Thank you for watching to the end.